Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can add contacts to Zoom. So to begin with, open up the app, then at this little bottom section open the contacts page. In here tap on a plus sign or plus icon at the top right corner, then invite a Zoom contact. In here enter the email address of the person that you would like to add as your new contact, then tap on the add button. And the invite will be sent to the person, and all that will be left to do is for this person to accept your request. You might also create a new iPhone contact from here, and if this person with this phone or email address will be a Zoom user, it will be also displayed in your Zoom contacts over here. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.